Welcome back, my beautiful creatures. Fair warning here, if you don't want to see a snake eating a frozen rat, that is your heads up. Look away now. It is already dead. It is obviously just frozen, thawed. So here you go. This is my little dinker, and they are just eating a large mouse. I won't get too close because I don't want to stress it out more than needs be. But yes, why I am filming this now is I was in the middle of filming it striking and doing all that, and of course my phone storage canceled out on me and made me stop recording. Holy, is this snake being kind of funny right now? Just chewing on it. Just helped it out there a little. So this is their little enclosure. They have a little cardboard hide box, and then their water dish. And why they are called a dinker is because they don't know exactly why their pattern is a little bit more different than just a regular ball python. But I'm going to leave him alone because I'm not comfortable bugging him the whole time. And I will show you guys. This is my big boy. And they definitely need a cage clean, which I will do after this. And this is Berard. We have iced coffee going through his shed. That's why he looks so pink/purple. And then last but not least, we have Elsa, who's also going through shed. That's why they're pink. Soon they'll go blue, and what going blue means is there's a layer of mucus in between the scales that they're shedding and their new scales, let's say. Here we also have my other little snake, Bob, just chilling in his pond, still soaking up. He's gonna go through shed pretty soon here, I'm assuming. But that's all I have to show for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this little fun update video on my snakes. Please remember to like, subscribe, and all that humbo jumbo. And as Eclipse would say, be kind to someone, and as all my pets would say, rescue some animals. Thank you. Bye.